Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna do a search and partial lookup using the Power Query. So I have these two data here, the data and then the customer company names, and in which we wanted to extract the company names in this data column. So here is the sample format report. As you can see, we extracted the customer company names on its side. So we're going to do that in another workbook. So let's go to our workbook. In here, we're gonna load this two table. Let's first load the customer and company names. So select any of your data, go to data tab, and then from table range, check my table has headers, okay. And then here, rename it first as the customer DB or database, and then make a connection. So go to the home tab, close and load to, only create connection, okay. So that's it. Now let's load the data or raw data. Select any of your data, go to data tab, from table/range, check my table has headers, okay. So first rename it for reference, raw data. And then here we wanted to extract the customer DB in this table. So I'm gonna add column for that so that it will be added here, another column for that. So add column, custom column, and then just call customer DB and then OK. So that's it. Now we can have a table here containing the customer and company names, all of it. So I'm gonna expand that. So uncheck the use original column name as prefix, OK. So that's it. Now I'm gonna add the final column so that we can use the text.PositionOf. So that's our formula here to determine the lookup. So add column, custom column, and then write the text.PositionOf. And here it needs the data column, which contains the word that you are searching for, and then comma. The second one will be the customer company names wherein it serves as the keyword. So that's it. All the rest are optional in this syntax, and then close it. Okay. So that's it. We have a number here. So you can see we have 8. So that's the position of J in the data column, so 8. So all the rest without the lookup is -1. So we're gonna remove that. So as you can see, we have 7 and so on. So I'm gonna use a filter here, number filters, and then does not equal because I wanted to remove those that are not in the list, which is -1, and then OK. So that's it. As you can see, you can already see the report. So remove the custom column. So right click the column and then remove. And that's it. It's finished. You can load that. Go to the home tab and then close and load to. Create a connection first. Only create connection. Okay. And then here, right click the raw data. Load to in a table. Use the existing worksheet. Put it here. Okay. So that's it. If we add another data or several data here, make sure that the customer can be found on the customer company's column. If not, you can add that. So go to data tab and then refresh all. You can see here that it will be automatically added in your report. So that's it. I'm finished or I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.